Good morning, QDT family. Today I thought I would do a quick video on accessing our dashboard and how to use it. So when you first log in, you're presented with this screen, and these are all of the machine learning models that we at QDT have built. Bitcoin intraday, currently the only intraday model, 60 minutes. You click on this link and it'll take you to there. Bitcoin daily, this goes out 5 days. Bitcoin 60 days, this goes out 60 days. You also see Ethereum, Litecoin, Cardano. If the rest of these projects are pretty much predicting 5 days out, with the exception of Bitcoin intraday and Bitcoin 60 days, the rest of the models are predicting 5 days out. Let's just take a look at Bitcoin intraday. This is an hourly chart. Every hour, the machine learning will recalculate, incorporate all of the data, all of the price movements from all of the coins and the other data sources that we have used. And here you can see the dashboard, and all of our dashboards look like this. First of all, you have the countdown timer for when the next update is going to occur, and the browser will refresh automatically. So in 16 minutes and 30 seconds, the browser will refresh after the machine learning models have recalculated. These dots represent the information ratio and the Sharpe ratio of the models. In other words, how predictive they are. The further the dots are in this corner, in the top right-hand corner, the more predictive the models are. Of course, you have the prediction for the next 9 hours. Bitcoin is predicted to fall. You have historical predictions. So what did the machine learning tell you to do? Last bar, the bar before, the bar before, the bar before. Red means short, green means long. You have the back testing with these machine learning models, and that's what these lines are. The pink line is the benchmark. That's what we're trying to beat. Buy and hold Bitcoin hourly. If you would have bought and held Bitcoin over the last month and you started with $100, you would be left with $81. If you would have used the long short strategy, the white line, and you would have done what it said, you would have had $195. Doubled your money within the same time frame. How do you know what the strategy is telling you to do? That's what this number is here, minus 100. Be short. That's what it's telling you to do. If it tells you minus 50, that means be short with 50% of your capital. Or minus 70, be short with 70% of your capital. Or plus 20, be long with 20% of your capital. We have the prediction curve and the trajectory price is going to take over the next 9 hours. We have historical predictions. We have out of sample back testing. We have information ratio and Sharpe ratio. And we have what should you do now. This is the same on all of our dashboards, no matter what time frames that you're looking at. Let's take a look at another dashboard, perhaps a longer term one. This is for Bitcoin, predicting 60 days out. Here we are on the 60-day Bitcoin dashboard, and if you rewind the chart, again, you can see the historical histogram telling you what machine learning thought would happen. You have the prediction curve. The long-term Bitcoin models are suggesting that Bitcoin will fall down to 33.5, 33.8, somewhere in that neighborhood, along the lines of these lows. You can see the Sharpe ratio and information ratio here telling you that these models are predictive. And you can see the benchmark, which is the pink line, buy and hold Bitcoin over a long period of time, or use the strategy. And the difference here would be if you started with $100, the strategy would have generated $162, and the benchmark would have been at $114. So that's a significant difference as well. So through our dashboards, this is the way you look at it. Is it predictive? Yes, dots are in top right-hand corner. Equity curves beat the benchmark. Yes, the equity curves beat the benchmark? What is the prediction curve telling me? Bitcoin is coming down. Can I trust the models? Yes, you can, because here is the historical value of the models. There's additional information on these dashboards under ROIs and cost savings. Cost savings is really for hedging, so you don't really have to look there unless you're hedging. ROIs, that's just telling you how much money you would have made in the last 30 days, in the last 60 days, in the last 90 days, that kind of thing. So again, you can click on markets and then go to another dashboard and see what's going on. That's just a quick tour of some of the dashboards. I hope that this answers some of your questions. Let me know if there's anything that I can do for you. Thank you very much for being here. Take care. Bye.